Is the light blinking on it?
Not now, ain't.
Let me see which.
Wi-Fi connected, disconnected, that may be available. You got an app for it, or?
Yeah.
When you fucking say something, I got them downloaded the app for it.
You downloading shit right here.
That's why I said don't worry about it.
That
That's
ain't
it.
no motherfucking server.
Oh, it's just connected to mine.
Why does it keep swapping back then?
It's electric. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. When I first turned it over, I don't know if the battery was getting weak, but it turned over not even a damn little bit, and then God damn, I didn't run the flywheel and some made me go.
All this fucking thing connect.
I'm lined up with a tooth. I should be able to go all the way down and touch it. And then
There we
back
go.
up. Right in between the teeth.
So I got it connect.
Says it's connected, it just ain't showing me no video. Oh, there we go. Now we got some video.
Finally.
Yeah. You can turn the light brightness up by the camera or by the phone.
Oh, I guess my calling.
I ain't gonna have no service right here to even talk to.
You love it?
Yeah. I ain't got my phone froze up.
You see it? Or are you trying to text me?
Yeah, I didn't even send a text, probably. Don't tell me. It's gotta reconnect. Come on, baby.
Please reconnect.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna have to go in a little bit more.
Does it look like I hit the end of it with the...
It don't look like
It
it.
don't look like you hit it.
I mean, when you had it backed off while ago, it didn't look like
You going in? A little bit more, a little bit. Oh. Can you get a different angle on it where I can see the...
I'm trying to. Oh. Let me get down here. I don't know what I'll do. That concrete's cold as fuck. No, it ain't cold. Oh. That's too close to touch it. Trying to get it best angle I can get it.
I gotta be touching it right there.
Oh. Yeah, I think you're touching it. Back off a little bit.
Yeah, what it looks like, mate. It looks like you're touching it.
Back off. Back off. Back it off. Right there would probably be safe. Tighten it down right there.
You tighten it down?
Yeah, that looks good right there.
That long time.
About 5/16 gap right there.
Camp out down here till they notice somebody sleeping. Here. A little trouble getting down. Yeah. We're gonna just stay here.
I'm just gonna stay here.
Looks like it was leaking some water right there too.
Crouching cowboy. Crouching cowboy.
Crouching cowboy.
Is everything out of the flywheel?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got the cover off of it up here.
716.
With all the snap-on tools you bought.
Well, at the house that was mine.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. All my fucking tools, all my benders, all.
Casey, we're gonna when we leave here, we're going by Lowe's. Take a conduit bending class. I'm going to show you that video.
Jesus.
I believe I can get Hunter to bend some conduit better than that guy. Oh my! Just throw it on the ground.
Don't have step on it, see?
I thought it was a snake.